Sudoku with 0 stars. Hello everyone, welcome back with the additional. The additional not in today's newspaper on Thursday, June the 22nd, 2023. No, it's an old edition. Because in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional. It's the edition of Monday, June the 19th, 2023. And I've already solved one puzzle, the letter Sudoku. Two puzzles remain, the tectonic and the Sudoku with 0 stars. Yeah, 0 stars. And this one will be number double 6 3 6. Yeah. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 29 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, should be easier than the 1 star for the 1 star puzzle. Need to be faster than 50 minutes. It has 27 printed digits. This one has 29. So maybe faster than 40 minutes, maybe 30 minutes. I do not know. We'll see. Alright, so let's get started. Two missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these two boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. And we see another 6 in this row, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the second row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Alright. And now 2 in this. Oh, wait, let me count. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 6. How about the 2 in the third row? 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this column. 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 2. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5, 5, okay. Then 5 and 9. 2 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5, 5, okay. Yeah. 5, cannot continue with the 5 now. I need to wait. 4, 4, 4, 4, yeah. Well, we have 4 missing numbers. Wait, 2 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 to 4, 3 and 4. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. Two missing numbers in this big square for numbers: the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and an 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. One box left in this row for number: the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing. So we have 8 in this column, 8 in the column next to the last column. The only two places left for 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there, 8 in the last row, 8 in that row. So the row between the only two places left for 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So third column, the only 3 places left for 8 should be here or there. You see an 8 in the third row, no 8 there. Here an 8 in the second row, no 8 there. The only place left for 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. There's number 3, number 8. Alright. 4 in this column, third column. 4 in the second column, so first column, the only two places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see a 4 in the first row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Cannot continue with the 4 now. And 7 and 9. Okay. 3 and the 5. Come on. 1 and 2 missing numbers in this column. Third column for the numbers: 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and the 7, 1 and the 7. So what are the other two numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this first row, 5 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 3, 3. Then. Let me see. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers: the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 and the 7, we have a 1 now in the second row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Then. 3 and a 5, come on. 5. Well. 9. The 9 in this column. Oh wait, we have 2. No. We have a pair, the 5 and the 9 in this column, the 5 and the 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 5 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and a 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So the row between the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers. Wait. The 9 in this column, the 9 in the last column. So the column between the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 1 box left in this first row for number 1. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers: the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. We have a 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And then 1 and 7. Come on, 2 missing numbers in this big square. From the 1 and 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. 3 and a 5. Okay. How about 1, 3, 3. Need a 3 here. But the 5. Need a 5 there. 7 and a 3. Come on. 3, the 7, and a 4. 4 in the last row. 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here. Or there, we see 4 in the last column. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this column. 4 in the last column. So the column between. Only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For the most 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and 7 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column, so the column between. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. From that row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For the 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 and a 3, we have a 7 now in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square. From 1 and 2, 3 to 4. 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and a 7, 5 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column, first column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Told you. Need to be faster than 50 minutes with 29 printed digits. We solve it again, and I like this one, yes I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today. Tectonic with 1 star. Until then, bye-bye for now.